You, re-watching our trend, where we bring you the latest, the boldest, and the most beautiful from the automotive world. And today, we re-diving deep into the stunning return of elegance, luxury, and open-air majesty, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Dawn. If the previous Dawn was a masterpiece of refined craftsmanship, this one feels like a declaration that luxury has no limits. At first glance, the new 2026 Dawn isn't just a facelift or an upgrade. It's a complete reimagination. Rolls-Royce has taken everything we well-earned from the Ghost, the Spectre, and the Phantom and channeled it into a convertible that doesn't follow trends, it sets them. With its long, elegant proportions and commanding presence, the Dawn remains unmistakably Rolls-Royce. But it also signals something new. Something modern, a new Dawn, quite literally. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Dawn carries that classic Rolls-Royce silhouette with an extended bonnet, short front overhang, and that iconic rear-hinged door setup. But now, every line feels more sculpted, more intentional. The spirit of ecstasy sits proud on a sleeker, more aerodynamic grille, and the entire front fascia has been reworked for a modern presence. The LED headlights are slimmer, more aggressive, and feature adaptive laser technology, creating a light signature that's instantly recognizable even from a distance. And then there's the paint. Rolls-Royce isn't just offering colors, they're re-offering statements. You can still customize everything, of course. But now, new two-tone finishes, pearlescent effects, and deep, complex hues give the Dawn a new sense of depth and character. Every surface seems to shimmer with elegance, especially when viewed under natural light with the top down. Speaking of the roof, it's still one of the most elegant soft tops in the business. Completely re-engineered for 2026, it opens in near silence in just under 22 seconds, and can do so at speeds up to 30 mph. The mechanism is nearly invisible, and once it's down, the design becomes even more striking. There are no awkward bulges, no ugly seams, just pure, flowing design from front to back. Now, step inside, and you not just entering a cabin, you re-entering a sanctuary. Rolls-Royce calls it the quietest open-top interior in the world, and it's not just marketing talk. Acoustic engineers have gone to extraordinary length to make this interior whisper quiet even at speed. With the roof up, the cabin is as silent as a recording studio. With the roof down, aerodynamic trickery channels airflow over your head, not into your ears. The materials inside are, as expected, beyond first class. Hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood veneers, real metal trim, and crystal controls, every inch is touched by craftsmanship. For 2026, the personalization goes even deeper. Want a dashboard inlaid with mother of pearl? Done. A starlight headliner with shooting stars? Of course. A bespoke scent diffuser developed just for you. That's standard for a hair. This is luxury beyond imagination. The seats are new for this generation too, thinner yet more supportive, heated and ventilated of course, with a new neck warming system that adapts to the outside temperature and wind speed. Rear passengers aren't an afterthought either. Unlike many convertibles, the Dawn actually welcomes those in the back with real legroom and comfort. This is a car you can cruise in with for adults, top down, and never feel cramped. Technology has been seamlessly integrated. A new digital instrument cluster still pays homage to the classic Rolls-Royce design, with digital dials that mimic analog ones. The infotainment system is powered by an updated Rolls-Royce bespoke OS, sharing architecture with latest e-drive but heavily modified for simplicity and style. Voice control is natural, fluid, and frighteningly accurate. And the Samnest speaker bespoke audio system has been tuned specifically for open-top listening. It's not just good, it's breathtaking. Under the hood, you won't find the advanced of the past Dawn, but don't panic. Rolls-Royce is shifting its lineup toward electrification, and the 2026 Dawn is offered in two variants. The first is a twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid that delivers over 600 horsepower and can waft from 0 to 60 in just 44 seconds. It's smooth, silent, and powerful, exactly as a Rolls should be. But the real future is electric. The all-electric Dawn EV borrows technology from the Spectre but refines it further. Dual motors, over 700 horsepower, and nearly 300 miles of real-world range. Instant torque makes acceleration effortless, and regenerative braking is so subtle you barely notice it's there. The driving experience is serene, it always ready. And with no engine noise, the sounds of nature, or that exquisite sound system, take center stage. Handling has always taken a backseat in Rolls-Royces, but not anymore. The new Dawn features an active air suspension system that reads the road ahead using a forward-facing camera, adjusting in real time. It feels like you, refloating, but with more confidence and composure than ever. Rear wheel steering makes tight spaces feel like wide boulevards, and at highway speeds, it feels rock solid. But what truly sets the 2026 Rolls-Royce Dawn apart isn't just the performance or the materials or the tech. It's the feeling. The sense that you are not just driving a car, you are experiencing a philosophy. A belief that the journey matters. That elegance still has a place in a world of performance SUVs and electric hypercars. That luxury isn't about speed or noise, it's about presence, silence, and style. The Dawn is not for everyone. And it's not meant to be. It's for the few who understand what it means to bleed rather than drive. To arrive, not just upper. And to own not just a car, but a piece of rolling art. Preaching, if you have to ask, you probably know the answer. But for those who can afford it, the new Dawn is a declaration that luxury is alive and well, and now more refined than ever. So what do you think of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Dawn? Is this the future of convertible luxury, or is Rolls-Royce clinging to a tradition in a changing world? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's next. This is Car Trend, and we'll see you on the next drive.